Chicken Kandi. Chicken Kandi is a wonderful, delicious, flavorful, and spicy dish. It is a marinated boneless chicken threaded into skewers along with peppers and onions. Fry and serve as a snack or appetizer. It is commonly made in North India, especially in Gujarat. Let's make it. Bismillah. About 2 pounds of boneless chicken cut into cubes. One tablespoon ginger paste. 1 tablespoon garlic paste. 1 tablespoon green chili paste. 2 tablespoon lemon juice. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoons red chili powder. 1/2 teaspoons chaat masala powder. 1/2 teaspoons black pepper powder. 1/2 teaspoon cayenne pepper, optional. You can always adjust the spices according to your wish. Mix and set aside. Cover and marinate chicken for 2 to 3 hours. Half cup rice flour or cornstarch. 2 tablespoon soy sauce. 2 tablespoon red chili sauce or according to your preference. Dip wooden skewers in the water. Cubed onions and bell peppers, according to your preference. 1 egg. You can skip egg if you have allergies. Mix and tread into skewers. You will able to make good amount of chicken sticks out of only 2 pounds of chicken. Shallow fry or deep fry according to your preference. You can also air fry these chicken skewers for healthier option. Cook both sides until turn golden. Remove the excess oil. Serve immediately with your choice of condiments or enjoy as is. Enjoy. If you like this recipe, kindly press the like button, share and subscribe for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.